Guys, Mike back here at the RC corner. As you can see, got a box here. Made a purchase from AliExpress, and inside this is a rock bouncer from the company INJORA. It's made in China, and been following some of their items for a while now on the internet, and I decided to go on a couple things. I'm also interested in their axles for the SCX 10, and they also have upgraded axles for the SCX 10 too. But the reason being for the SCX 10 is they are 100% compatible with the Red Cat Gen 7. So if we take a look at that over there, and we can make an improvement on that. But the rock bouncer tweaked my interest, so let's take this thing out of the box and we'll see what all comes inside and what it's going to take to get this thing up and running. But I'm pretty excited about this, so let's get this part of the video going. So there we go, guys. We've got this thing out of the box, and not too many items. The whole thing is fully assembled. Come with a sticker sheet, no manual. The hardware here, so we got stuff for the wheels, the wheel nuts, the caps, the screws, everything's screwed down, and we got a servo mount right there that will mount over there. Thing is fully built. One thing I did notice though, that in the corner here was a ball bearing, and then I noticed both the ball bearings in the front axle fell out right over here, and I found the other one inside the flap. So if you guys, I'm going to have a link in the notes if you guys are interested in this thing. Price point is super affordable. I'm really excited to try this thing out. I think it looks amazing. Anyways, I found the other ball bearing in there, put them back in. That's gonna be cool. The whole transmission, everything is good. Inside, they've already included the motor. So you got your motor, brush motor here. So you got your positive and negative feed out here. So you just have to throw on a brushed ESC. I have one of the Traxxas XL5s lying around, so that should do the trick. One thing I also noticed that this wheel here, okay, they came pre-mounted. They come with O-Star Hobby wheels, and they are not branded by a type of name, just the brand name. They're not like Super Swampers or something like that. But I did notice this one wheel has a lot of fluid on it. Feels like shock oil, so I'm wondering if one of these shocks came without oil or the oil leaked, but doesn't really make sense why. But I do see some stains in the box, so probably they were compressed, possibly leak. So double check the oil in the shocks, but everything else looks good. These are definitely decent little tires. You can order it without the wheels. I'll leave a link in the notes where you guys can check this out. INJORA, we'll give this thing a go. Not too much out there on YouTube about it, so I thought I'd be a guy that demonstrate what it all comes and how this thing will perform when we get it up and running. So thanks for tuning into this, guys. As always, leave a comment below. I'll try and get back to you if you have a question. Again, peace out. We'll catch you on the next one soon. All right, take care.